Alright, what's up guys? I'll just be doing some example solves here. Haven't done these in a while, so I figured it's time to do some more. I average about mid-9, and I have a sub-10 official average. So, yeah, I'll be using way long here. Pretty good. Um, I'm also color neutral, if you don't know that by now. So yeah, let's get started. I've been informed a lot of times in my videos I sound like Brian Griffin from Family Guy, hungover. So I'll try my best to sound more alive. So yeah, first scramble. It's not that great, but we can work with it. Alright, this is going to be kind of a weird one. So I put this edge up here and then do this. And then I'm going to form an X cross here, like that. And that wasn't planned out. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to do the X cross, but I saw I was able to, so I did. Then I do this pair next. And then this one, and then I can already look ahead to the fourth one. So I do that, and then OLL, then G perm, which I'm bad at. I do orange Canada cross. So, alright, so I'd solve that one and then do L2F prime. And then just finish it off like that. And this pair got formed right in front of me, which is good because I wasn't really looking ahead to the first pair. And then I can already look ahead to this one. So that corner is going to stay there. So I insert this and then solve that pair in the back. This pair's right here, but I also noticed this one, and I think this is going to be a better one to do because it's in the back and then I won't have to rotate. And then this one got set up perfectly, so that was good. And then this OLL, I don't really like it. And then E perm. Alright, so red looks pretty good, but I'd check if anything else looked any better. White's not horrible, and yellow isn't that bad. So, but yeah, red looks the best. So I do D2, R2, DL, then this pair got formed, or set up, and then I see these. Now, a lot of people do that thing where they solve it like that, but I just find that really awkward. I've never understood why people do that. So I'd break them apart like that, and then insert. So, for these two pieces, I'd go like this. And then for the final pair, straightforward like that. Yeah, I doubt I do all CP. I just do that, and then Y perm. All right, this one, I think I do yellow. And the first pair is pretty hard, so I'm not going to worry about it. So I do that, and then that. So the first pair is right here, which is nice. This one also ended up right in front of me. Then this is pretty bad, but I do the next pair like this just because it was the one I saw next. And then I can look ahead to the third pair, which is these two. So I pair them like that, and then I can see the last one. And then normally I would just do anti-soon, but since it was set up like this, I would do Ciolo because it's the lefty Nicholas and U-perm. Okay. All right. So I bring this down and solve it, and then I do this pair because it got set up. So I do that, and then this pair got formed, and then I insert it from this angle and not this angle, because if I do it from this angle, then I'll have to do a Y2, which isn't good. So I put in like that, and then I could easily solve the last two pairs. Then soon A-perm. So that was a really easy last layer. Let's do one more. Okay. Yeah, so I do yellow again. First two, then that. So the first pair I saw was this one, and then I can cancel into this pair, and then I can see I can actually see the rest of the F12 from here. So I put this in, and then I do this pair and then this one. And then this is nice because I know of all the edges on top. Then I do a Ciolo and U-perm. Alright, those are example solves. Hopefully you learned something. I know my crosses really suck, and the way I look at the first pair is pretty weird sometimes. But you probably learned something, hopefully, and yeah, see you later.